What's up, extras? Welcome back. It's so good to see you guys. I know it's been a while, but I've been so busy with work. Luckily, I have some time now, and I'm back with a very extra bag, of course. It suits me oh so well. I can't wait to get this open. It's a little bit of story time too, but before we get into it, if you are new here, hello, I am Ralph by Design. I do coach-related content, unboxings, reviews, things of that nature. If that's something that does pique your interest, please consider subscribing here and follow me over on Instagram. Both are at Ralph by Design. And without any further ado, let's get into this extra unboxing. All right, guys, here it is. I can't wait to get into this. A quick little story time while I'm opening it. I ordered it online and I was so excited to get it. When I opened it, not only did Coach send me the wrong bag, they sent me an outlet bag. I'll insert some video here just to show you guys exactly what it was. I mean, it was a beautiful color. The leather felt nice, but it definitely was not the Rogue that I did order. It was an outlet bag. I was a little perplexed and puzzled. Luckily, I called Coach to get it all sorted out, and luckily I got an associate that I have worked with before. Her name is Dee. She is phenomenal. Dee, I know you're watching. Hello. Thank you so much for being so amazing getting this all sorted out. If you guys ever have to call in to Coach, the 1-800 number, and you guys are lucky enough to work with Dee, she is phenomenal. She will make sure everything is perfect. Everything is exactly how you do want it. She goes above and beyond, and I'm excited anytime that I do call in and I do get her. Even when it's a bad experience that I'm a little upset about, if I get Dee, I know it's gonna get sorted out. She's gonna go above and beyond. Again, thank you, Dee. Let's get this open, and hopefully this time it is the right bag. All right, I did request this shipment to be fully factory wrapped. Let's see if the warehouse listened. They did not, but let's hope she's gorgeous. Let's hope she's in one piece. All right, here she is, of course, in the signature silky dust bag. This is all tucked in. Let's get this open. I'm so excited. This bag, from what I've seen online, is extra on extra, just how you guys know I like it. I can see the floof already. Oh my God, you guys. Are we ready?
It's so fluffy!
Oh my goodness. Look at this furry little Muppet. This is so adorable, you guys. Okay, she's a little flat from being inside of the dust bag and the packaging, so let's give her a little floof, a little fluff. When you guys get these Rogues, if you can keep these, keep them. They help keep the shape really well. Here she is, extra and all fluffed up, all unwrapped. This is the Coach Patchwork Shearling Rogue 20. Whew, that was a tongue twister. This is my first, very first Rogue 20. I have every other size that they make, but this is my first 20. And I'm actually super excited for this, you guys, because I just find myself nowadays using smaller and smaller bags as I'm going everyday errands, doing my things on the daily. I do find myself using smaller bags, so my larger Rogues unfortunately don't get all the love that they do deserve. But this new 20 size is perfection. Look at this size. This is going to be perfect grab and go, to carry just enough. The 25 I did find that I didn't use as much, even though it is smaller. It's not as small as the 17. For a daily driver, the 17, even the newer one, I could fit everything in there, but if I wanted to take a little extra sunglasses or something like that, it didn't quite fit. But when I took my 25, I found it to be too much space. So actually, I think this one is going to be a little perfect moment. So with the Shearling, it does make it look bigger than what it actually is. It kind of almost gives it the footprint or the illusion of a 25. But once you do flatten it out, you do realize that it is a smaller bag. Not tiny like the 17 at all. I feel like this is going to be just right. But let's give you guys a little twirl so you can see all the patchwork goodness. Little side. Now, when I first seen an image of this from Vidal, Big Apple Rexy. Hey Boo, I know you're watching. When I first seen pictures of this, I only seen the front, so I was a little worried that they were only doing the shearling on the front panel like they have in previous Rogues. I'm not a super big fan of that. I like the extraness all over the place. So, giving this a twirl, I was so happy that they filled the whole side, the whole front, the whole back with shearling fur. I'm so excited about this. So happy. And I will say, let's give you guys a little shot on the bottom. And of course, it is leather lined. Same setup as all your other Rogues. It's just gonna be in a 20 footprint and covered in fur. I will say I was on the fence about this color combo, simply just because these colors I don't really own too much of. But I was like, oh, I absolutely love the size. I love the extraness of the fur. I think I need to try to get out of my comfort zone and try something different. And actually, you guys, I'm very happy I did. This new Shearling Rogue does come in a 39 size. Completely different colorway. It has a dark hardware, lots of earth tones, chocolates, browns, blacks in it. Absolutely stunning and gorgeous, and it reminds me of Chewbacca in the best possible way. We didn't get it in the States, but in Japan, there is a Rogue 25 in the same colorway. It looks absolutely gorgeous, but I think the 20 size is gonna work definitely a lot better for me. Plus, that 39 and the 25 does have the dark hardware, which is known to crack, to peel, to chip. And in the long run, to me, the brass is absolutely stunning and is definitely gonna be a lot more durable. But I am glad I got out of my comfort zone. This is so extra, so over the top. You guys know exactly that that is me. I have the perfect shoes to wear with these. Some Adidas with Jeremy Scott. They're black and pink fur. They're furry, they're fuzzy. They're gonna go beautiful with this. I can't wait to wear this. I can't wait to turn heads. I'm so excited. Of course, it does come with your shoulder straps like every other Rogue, other than the 17, and then your crossbody strap. I don't find myself using those too often. Definitely a top handle carry for me, but it's nice to have the options. Every now and then I might use the crossbody strap, but as a shoulder strap just to carry it when my hands are full. You guys, I'm so excited for this. I'm so ecstatic. I'm so glad that Stuart Vevers is being extra and coming out with gorgeous bags like this. Keep them coming. I'm so excited for the new Shadow collection that's gonna be coming in December. You guys keep an eye out on that. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this bag. Is it for you? Is it too extra? Is it too fuzzy? I know I'm gonna get a lot of like Muppet references, but I absolutely love it. It is definitely a statement piece. It's not for everybody, but the people that do enjoy it, I think are thoroughly going to enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and don't forget, stay extra out there. Bye.